In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile an overpayment in Xero. If you've ever found yourself trying to manage overpayments in your Xero account, you'll know it can be slightly tricky at first. But don't worry, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel much more confident about handling these scenarios with ease. First, you'll want to open up your Xero website. Once you've accessed the site and logged into your account, you'll notice a tab labeled Accounting at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to managing the financial transactions for your business seamlessly, so it's a place you'll likely visit often. Next, within the Accounting tab, you'll find an option titled Bank Account. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your connected bank accounts, which is vital for keeping track of your financial inflows and outflows. Now, you need to select the specific bank account where the overpayment occurred. This is crucial because it ensures you're working with the correct data and can pinpoint the transaction that needs attention. Once you have the relevant bank account open, look for the three dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down list of further actions you can take with this particular account. From this menu, you'll want to select Reconcile Account. This feature is designed to help you manage outstanding items and ensure that your ledger is up to date and accurate. Now, here's where we dive into the intricacies of managing overpayments. When you're in the reconciliation screen, click on Find and Match. This allows you to identify transactions that align with the overpayment in question. From here, ensure that you click the overpayment account. This step is essential because it helps Xero understand which transactions you're attempting to adjust. At this stage, you will need to click on New Transaction. This is where you have the option to either spend money or transfer money, depending on what makes the most sense for your specific situation. Choosing to spend money might be appropriate if you need to adjust your expenses, while the transfer money could be more suitable if you're reallocating funds within your accounts. Once you've made your decision, you can proceed to click Reconcile. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully reconciled an overpayment in Xero. Understanding how to manage these scenarios can prevent confusion and ensure that all of your financial records are accurately maintained. Remember, consistent reconciliation helps maintain clear financial oversight, making your bookkeeping duties more manageable in the long run. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video for more helpful Xero tips.